Oh. Can you please read? Oh,
Yeah. House.
next.
If I had a big house, I would hire mail to clean my room.
How do you read this?
Mail.
Maids.
Maid.
Okay, that is maids. All right. So here are the second conditional. Remember, second and third conditional, they are talking about things that are much less likely to happen. Okay. We do not have the certain or the certainty or the sureness that this will happen in the future. Okay. So say, for example, if I were rich, if I were rich, I would buy a huge house. Who knows if tomorrow I am going to be rich? Okay? Or who knows if next year I can buy a huge house. Okay, so it's a very much likely to happen. Not unlike in the first conditional, okay? If you put water under 350 degrees, the water will boil. Okay, so that's the truth. Okay, it's the general truth. Okay, if you do that, it will happen. It will surely happen. But here, okay, we are having a little possibility that this will happen. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. How about the third conditional?
If I had watched TV, I would have know what happened. If I had known, I would have done something about it.
Okay, so I want you to look here. If I had watched TV, I would have known what happened. So meaning to say, you don't know what happened. Okay? You don't know what happened because you do not watch the TV. See, it's very much likely to happen. Only if you watch the TV, you will know what will happen. Since you did not watch, meaning to say, you would have known it if you only watch the TV. Okay? Do you understand that?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. If I had known, okay, if you know, you would have done something about it. If you know that your friend got hit by the car, say for example, if you know that if you already knew that your friend got hit by a car, you would have been or went to the hospital. But since you did not know, you did not go to the hospital as well. All right?
All right.
So that's the third conditional. Okay, we do not know that this happened. Okay, or yeah, we do not know that this happened. So meaning to say we cannot do something about it. Okay, or you do not do this, so you don't know what will happen. All right, so that's the third conditional. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Can you still follow? Can you still follow?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, now let's read the grammar focus. Let's have the second conditional first. Read.
Conditional form are used to wonder about something that can happen or to express that some action can only take place if something else is done first.
Okay. Conditional forms are used to wonder, okay, about something that can happen. You used to think. Okay. Conditional are the things that we used to think. Okay. We used to think about that that it might happen. Okay? Say for example, you're thinking about eating burgers. Okay, it might happen. So that if you could eat burger, so that is a conditional. Okay? If I could
Okay.
only eat burgers tonight, so that is conditional. Okay. Or to express that some action can only take place if something else is done first. Just like what we have on the third conditional. If you have watched the TV, you will have known what happened. But since you did not watch the TV, you don't know what happened. You don't know if the princess fell in love with the prince. You don't know that that happened because you do not watch the TV. But if you watch that, you know that they live happily ever after. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So we have here the second conditional. Can you please read this one?
We use the second conditional to talk about an event that is not likely to happen. The form of the second conditional is it plus past tense verb plus would plus verb.
Okay, so we use the second conditional. Remember, we are talking about second conditional. Okay, we use the second conditional to talk about an event that is not likely to happen. Okay, not likely to happen. It will not, okay, it may happen, but the possibility of it the possibility of it that will not happen is much higher. Okay, say for example, this one is it will happen. The possibility is it will happen, but the possibility that it will not happen is much higher than this. Okay, it will happen, it will not happen. All right.
Okay.
The second conditional talk about an event that is not, remember, not likely to happen. Okay? 70% chance that it will not happen. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So, and then the form, okay, what is the form of the second conditional? If plus the past tense verb, okay, and then would and the verb. Okay, say for example, can you please read this?
If I won the lottery, I would travel around the world.
Okay, so in lottery, in lottery, we do not have a 100% that we will win that. Okay, so it was just a luck. Okay, if you were lucky enough, then you will win a lottery. But if you're not, if you are unlucky, you will not win a lottery. Okay,
Okay.
to say there is only say 30% that you might win a lottery. Okay, so the form. Let's have the form of the second conditional. First is, what's the first word?
If
If, very good. And then,
one
what is one?
conditional
Uh-huh. Past tense,
past tense verb
past tense verb. Very good. What is the base form of one? Or the present?
would
Uh-huh. One, it's
win
win. Okay, so that's the base form. Okay, one is the past tense. The past tense of won. Okay,
okay
the next is
would
Would and
Verb.
verb. Very good. That's the verb there. Okay, so that is the form of second conditional. First, if, past tense verb, would, and verb. All right, remember that. If, past PTV or past tense verb, would, and verb. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, if I won the lottery, I would I will travel around the world. Okay? Event that is not likely to happen. What is the event that is not likely to happen? What is that event?
Won the lottery.
Very good. Or winning the lottery. Okay, so that is the event. That's the thing that will not likely to happen. And what is the probable result? Meaning to say the probability. What is the probable result?
Would travel around the world.
Good. You will travel around the world. All right. Do you understand now second conditionals?
Yes.
Very good. Then let's move on with the third conditional. Can you please read?
The third conditional is used to imagine the possible result of an event that did not actually happen. The form of the third conditional is plus past perfect plus would have plus past participle.
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 Okay, now let's have the third conditional. If in second conditional, it's not likely to happen. Here, on the third conditional, in second conditional, it will not likely to happen. It will happen, but a little percent, okay, a little chance. But in third conditional, okay, we used to imagine. You're just imagining the possible result of an event that did not actually happen. It doesn't happen at all. Yet you are you are imagining what will happen if this happen. Can you get that? Do you get that? Hello?
Can you ask again?
Okay. So in third conditional, you are just imagining. It's your in imagination. What if this thing happen? What will be the result if this thing happen? If only it happened. But it did not actually happen. You say, for example, if I would have watched the TV, meaning to say you did not watch the TV, only if you watch the TV, you will know what happened to the drama that you are watching. Okay, say for example, let's have my example a while ago. If you would only watch the TV, you will know that the prince fell in love with the princess.
I will never watch a fairy tale.
You will never watch a fairy tale.
Yeah.
That is just an example, okay?
Okay.
So let's have it as an example. It's quite easy, okay? If you only watch the TV, you would have known that the prince will fall in love with the princess. But since you did not watch TV, you did not watch a fairy tale, you never know. Okay? Or you did not know that the prince fell in love with the princess. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. So let's have the example. For clear understanding, let us have this. Can you please read this one?
If I had studied hard, I would have gotten a good grade.
All right. Okay, so let's have this one. If I had studied hard, meaning to say you did not study hard. Okay? Meaning to say you did not study hard.
Hard.
Okay, you actually did not study hard. Okay, you did not actually study hard. Okay, let's have it here. So therefore,
you have gotten a good grade.
okay, if I had studied hard, okay, so you are thinking, if only I had studied hard, then maybe I would have gotten a good grade.
Great.
But since you actually did not study hard, you did not get a good grade. Okay?
Okay.
All right, so it's like the opposite. Okay? What happened in third conditional is actually the opposite. Okay? So that's the third conditional. Okay, it doesn't
Okay.
happen. Okay? What you are thinking, or what you are imagining did not actually happen. What happened is the opposite of what you are imagining.
Um. Uh. uh we are not imagining anymore. Uh,
We're not
we are
imagining.
doing the real thing.
We are the real thing. No, I mean in third conditional. Okay? In third conditional, you are imagining. Okay? You are imagining something that did not happen. All right? Or you are imagining the possible result of an event that did not happen. Okay?
Okay.
All right. And in terms of form, we have if, past perfect, okay, past perfect, and then would have and past participle. Say, for example, we have if. How about this? What is this?
Had studied
Had studied. What is that?
past perfect.
Okay, past perfect. Past and also past. Okay? Have is already in the past and studied is already in the past. And then the word would have and the
Got
past
gotten.
gotten. Past participle of got. Okay?
Okay.
Past participle of got. All right? So that is the form of third conditional. If, first is if, and then past perfect, had studied, and then would have. Next is past participle, gotten. All right?
All right.
Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, now let's have the dialogue practice. Okay, so we have here Yanting and Nina. They are talking about,
About if we were poor. I mean rich.
okay, about being rich. So who do you want to be? Do you want to be Yanting or Nina?
Let me think. Maybe Yanting.
Okay, you will be Yanting and I'll be Nina. Okay, so let's start.
What would you do if you had $1 million?
If I had $1 million, I would give half of it to charity. What about you?
If I had $1 million, I would travel around the world.
Okay, so that is it in second conditional or third conditional?
Second,
Second, very good. See, if, past tense verb, would,
would.
and verb. All right,
All
again,
right.
if, what is this?
Ha, um, Past verb.
Past tense verb. And then would and
Verb.
verb. Okay, don't forget that. Second conditional, you will know if that is in second conditional, if you can see that the forms. If, past tense verb, would, and verb. Okay,
Okay.
next. What do you want to be, Zach or James?
I want to be James.
Okay, now let's read. Deciding on a job. I get offers from Microsoft and Apple. Microsoft is giving me a more senior position.
If I were you, I would take Microsoft offer.
All right. In what form of conditional is it written?
If and where would
Is it in second or third conditional?
second sentence.
Very good. Second conditional. How about this? Who do you want to be, Emily or Chloe?
Emily.
Emily. Okay, then I'll be Chloe. Read.
I wish we hadn't watched it. Such a scary movie last night.
Yeah, I wouldn't have had a nightmare if we hadn't watched that movie. What is that form of conditional?
One.
Oh, second or third only.
Oh, second.
Am I sure? It's in third. Okay. I mean, have had. Okay. If, okay, yeah, if I would, no, there's no if there. I wouldn't have had. Okay, wouldn't have had. Okay, have had. Past, what is that? Past perfect. Okay, and then had not watched. Past participle. Okay, we just remove, hello, are you listening?
Yes.
Oh yeah, we just remove the if there. Okay, if is not, the word if is not present on that one. Okay?
Okay.
All right, how about, okay, the last one, health. We have here health. Mister, can you please read this one?
Mr. Adachi himself on a scale.
How do you read this?
Weighing.
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 Okay, who do you want to be? Akio Adachi or Kyoko Adachi?
Ayoko Adachi.
Akio.
What?
Akio?
Or
All right, read.
what the scale says I am now 70 kilograms. I was just 65 last year.
You would not have gained weight if you have exercised more. Okay, so let's see. What is the form of conditional there?
Huh.
What kind of conditional is that? Hmm? What kind of conditional is that?
Third.
Again?
Third.
I cannot hear you, dear.
Third.
Third. Very good. Why third?
Past. I mean, conditional.
Yeah, it's a third conditional. Why?
It have would verb.
No, it's actually would. Okay, the would. If you would not have gained, oh, I mean you here is the if. Okay, it's kind of like tricky. Okay, would, and then this one is perfect past. Okay, and this one is past participle. Okay, here is the would. Okay, would not. All right. So if you had exercised more, you wouldn't have gained weight. Okay, if, and then the past, oh, this is the past, the perfect past. Okay, if, the word if, and then the perfect past would not, and then what is that? Past participle. Have gained. Okay, this is, they just make it, what is that word? They put it here. Okay, instead of this one first, if you had exercised more, you would have not gained weight. Okay, so it's also correct. All right, the arrangement, it's just okay, different now. All right.
All right.
So this is the if, this is the if, this is the perfect past, and then this is the would not, the word would not, okay, and then the past perfect, the past participle. All right.
All right.
Okay, now let's have the activity. Let's see if you understand our lesson. Okay, so you're going to do this activity. So fill in the blanks with with the appropriate form of the verb. Okay, it's either past tense or perfect past tense. Say, for example, if I can fly, the world is can. I would fly all around the world. So you're going to change it into could. Okay? If I could fly, I would fly all around the world. Okay, so it's already in past tense. Okay?
Okay.
You know what are you going to do?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, now I'll let you have answer that activity.